subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Itel has launched two new affordable phones under P series in India called Itel P55 and Itel P55 Plus, with dynamic bar feature. Among this two, the Itel P55 Plus is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Itel P55 Plus smartphone. The Itel P55 Plus features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Itel P55 Plus comes powered by UniSoC T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel P55 Plus has been priced in India at 9,499 Indian rupees. And it is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 13th in Meteor Purple, Galaxy Blue, and Royal Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Itel P55 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.